Did you know Tennessee is one of the few states in the entire country with no state income tax? Now, when people hear that, they think, oh, that's nice, I'll save a little money. But what most people don't realize is how big the difference can actually be. For some people, relocating to East Tennessee, it can mean keeping $5,000 to $10,000, sometimes even $20,000 more every single year. So today, I'm going to break down exactly what no state income tax really means, how it works, and why it's one of the biggest reasons people are moving to East Tennessee right now. If you're new to the channel, I'm Heidi Hines. I'm a local realtor here in East Tennessee. And on this channel, we talk about living, working, playing, relocating to the Smoky Mountains and everything real estate. So if you're thinking about moving to Gatlinburg, Sevierville, Pigeon Forge, Newport, or anywhere in East Tennessee, make sure you subscribe because that's exactly what we talk about here and you don't want to miss anything. Let's start with the basics. When people say Tennessee has no state income tax, what does that really mean? Well, it means the state doesn't tax the money you earn. That includes salary, wages, bonuses, commission on income, retirement income, Social Security, pension income. So if you move here and you're working, or even if you're retired, Tennessee doesn't take a percentage of that income. To really understand the impact, it helps to compare to other states. Many states have income tax rates between 4% and 10%. So if someone earns $100,000 per year, they might pay $5,000, $7,000, even $10,000 annually in state income tax. In Tennessee, that money stays in your pocket. One reason East Tennessee is exploding in popularity right now is remote workers. Someone working remotely for a company in California, New York, or Chicago can move here, keep the same salary, but suddenly their cost of living is dramatically lower. This is also one of the reasons that Tennessee is consistently ranked as one of the best states for retirement. Tennessee doesn't tax Social Security, 401k withdrawal, IRA distributions, or pension income, so retirees often find that their retirement savings go much further here. Now, I always want to keep things real on this channel because while Tennessee doesn't have a state income tax, the state still has to generate revenue somehow. And the primary way Tennessee does that is through sales tax. In most areas of Tennessee, the sales tax is around 9% to 10%. That includes a state portion and a county portion. So yes, you will pay sales tax when you purchase things, but here's the difference. You only pay tax when you spend money. You're not paying tax on everything you earn. What a novel idea. Another thing many people are surprised by is property taxes in East Tennessee. Compared to many parts of the country, property taxes here are relatively low. Of course, it varies by county, but many buyers moving here are shocked when they see their property tax bill compared to where they came from. When you combine no state income tax, lower property taxes, the beauty of the Smoky Mountains, outdoor lifestyle, and a slower pace of life, it's easy to see why so many people are relocating here. And honestly, that's what makes East Tennessee so special. You can wake up in the morning and see the mountains, spend the day hiking, fishing, or exploring the national park, and still be within driving distance of great restaurants, shopping, entertainment. There's plenty to do. So if you're thinking about moving to East Tennessee, whether it's in 9 days or 90, and you're trying to figure out which town is right for you, what homes cost here, what the taxes look like, or what areas might fit your lifestyle, my team and I would love to help. My team is made up of agents who are born and raised right here in East Tennessee, and together we have the local knowledge to help you understand the area before you make the move. So if you're thinking about moving to Gatlinburg, Sevierville, Pigeon Forge, Newport, Cosby, or anywhere in East Tennessee, reach out. People contact us every single week who are moving here from out of state. You can call, text, email, or schedule a relocation call using the link below. And don't forget to tap the bell and subscribe so you never miss a video about living, relocating, working, playing, and all things real estate in East Tennessee. we'd be happy to help you make the move to East Tennessee. And if you're researching East Tennessee, make sure you check out my other videos because I break down the best towns to live in, cost of living in East Tennessee, pros and cons of living here, and what it's really like to move to the Smoky Mountains. Thanks for watching. I'm Heidi Hines, and I'll see you in the Smokies.